As you can see, the bumper itself is welded on, fish plated, twisted and ripped quite severely. The side here is bent and broken right behind the shock mount. It is an original Ford. The front frame is so damaged, I'm not sure how worthwhile it would be to fix. The hood has had the hood cut so somebody could put the wrong motor in it. The tub itself is in pretty damn remarkable shape. Very minimal rot. Even the areas that are normally rot are pretty good. The dash has been cut and horribly disfigured. All in all, pretty easily fixed. The Ford toolboxes. That one there is cut, probably because somebody couldn't get in. I was able to order, or not order, I found another quarter section for the driver's side with the correct door opening. The grill is bent up, but very salvageable. Fenders are decent. This side piece came with that corner section. It's off a Ford as well. Not sure I'll be able to use much of it, but it came with that piece, so I'll make something work out of it. The original windshield in pretty good shape, not all rotted out, but has been repair welded at one point, so I'll definitely be making that work. It's got original axles, front and rear. The shafts are marked with the F. Diff cover. It blew up the pinion and gear. I've since found a new one. Worst part I can see here is where the gas tank was. A decent amount of rot near it, both inside and out. But the rest of it's in pretty good shape. Common spot for rust is inside the box. Pretty solid, minus the hole for whatever drilling they were doing. Got to get rid of these. Clean up where they had it there. It had a roll cage on it that was mounted here. I'm gonna drill up those holes, or weld up those holes. I also have another Ford body with a decent dash. That one is so rot on the bottom, there's no fixing it, and it's